many of you have very complex plan, okay, because the plan is demanding. So in that case, you will have certain things like to show maybe your structural members or something, okay. Now, if that is the case, you can have two plans, okay, where one you are showing the structural members if you want to show, or otherwise it can be plain electrical plan where I am least bothered about the structure, okay. For an engineer who's just going to work on the on the electricity, if I'm a if I was consulting with an AC guy, he will be very much asking me beams kidhar hai, because uske ducts bahut bade hain, you know, he will have be dealing with huge humongous ducts. So he cannot put a hole in a beam and say chalo main isme se leke jata hu. No way, absolutely no chance, okay. Also, if there are beams in the way, he will have to dip the ducts, or he will then have to lay the ducts under the beam, okay, or along the side of the beam. So he is very concerned about your structure, but not the electrical guy, because electrical conduits are like teeny weeny, okay. They can hide in a plaster if one needs to be. It can be very well hidden, just like your water pipes that can be hidden in a chase, okay, of the wall. Similarly, the conduit आपने देखा है, okay, all of you have been to your घर में होगा, okay, you have seen it in our colleges, okay. Those are those black color का tubes जिसके अंदर आपके electrical wires जाते हैं. So the tube is called as a conduit, and the wires is which is actually carrying the electricity. Conduit is nothing but you have a bunch of wire, and imagine each wire ऐसे आप separately लेके जा रहे हो. How much labor, right? It's too labor intensive. So what they do is smartly they put it into one duct and take it across. So that's why it protects the wires, and also it's easy for the labor people. I mean, it's one go and the things can happen. Now, having said that, so that can be very easily put into the plaster that you, or even you have a very small niche in a actually concrete mein to aap kar sakte, or you have POP panels, or you have walls. It can be easily hidden. So that's not an issue. So that's why electrical person is not so very concerned about structure as a as your AC guy would be, right? So having said that, what you need to do is make a plan with just electrical RCP in the sense you will have to show the reflected ceiling plan. Jisme one thing is, I'll show you. Chalo, let me start sharing. One thing is obviously you will have to show all the light fittings. Okay? Now, and please write this down. Otherwise, why will you want to listen to me again and again? Okay, and I do talk a lot. So in that case, just write down the points that I'm telling you. Okay, one, plan. Second, section. Okay, plan में आप क्या क्या दिखाओगे? A is you will show the position of the lights. B, you will show the naming of the light. So how do you name the light? You can name them L1, L2, L3, L4. That is fine. But you want to make your life easy and your electrical guy's life easy. फिर आप क्या करोगे? You will mention the light as per the. Can you see my screen? 1 minute.
Yes.
1 minute. I'll directly go to the plan. And the plan is this. Can you see the plan now? Yeah, I'll go full screen. Okay. Yeah. So you see this? What all things are they are showing? Now see here. Huh? इधर उसने कुछ भी नाम नहीं दिया है. Now, how will you tell that guy कि बाबा मेरे को L3 नहीं चाहिए? बोलेगा कौन सा L3 है, इधर तो नाम ही नहीं है ना? By something, okay, you want to break the pattern and you want to go some different thing, and you just call up your guy, electrical guy. आप अपने ऑफिस में बैठे हो and you call him up and say L3 निकाल दो. L3 किधर है? I don't know. So A is the light's position, okay. B is the naming of the light. In the naming, I will probably use, one second, I will go on a presenter mode so that I can use my pen. My control button is gone. So if there are tube lights, I will say T1. I can say TB1 also, okay. So that way आप कर सकते हो. अगर आप LED यूज करते हो तो आप लिख सकते हो L1, L2, L3, all that. If you are using bulbs, you would say B1, B2, B3, all that. Okay. If you are using CFL, you can say C1, C2, C3. If you are using sodium halogen, okay, you can say SH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay. आप अगर mercury vapor use कर रहे हो, okay, so mercury M1, M2, M3. Understood? So this is how you would differentiate that. Automatically समझ में आ जाता है. Now ये आपने समझाया. Does that guy understand? What is L, what is C, what is T? उसको नहीं पता है, okay? Because every architect has a different language, okay? So what you need to do is then, okay, make a legend and write down. L1 is LED. और जो भी है आपका अभी एलईडी में 1000 तरीके का आपको लाइट मिलता है. ओके, सो सम ऑफ यू कैन यूज अ क्लस्टर, सम ऑफ यू कैन यूज जस्ट सिंगल पॉइंट्स, सम वन ऑफ यू कैन यूज अ क्लस्टर ऑफ 5, कोई बोलेगा 7, कोई बोलेगा 9. आई डोंट नो, you have to specify. So just saying LED does not work. LED with the specification. Then B1 LED whatever 40 watt hai, 60 watt hai, 100 watt hai, with specification. Okay, so that will be one legend. Okay, if that's what I'm saying, electrical sheet agar aap dekho na, it is only legends. Okay, whatever language you speak, it is only legend. Okay, so ye ho gaya aapka. So one was the position of the light, second was the naming of the light, third one is the C is the dimension of the light. So dimension kaise karoge aap? You will make the center line of this light. Okay, you will give me y, and you will give me x. Okay, this is how you will dimension. Okay, this is how you will dimension. Now if suppose this is in the center of the wall, huh? अगर ये ग्राउंड पे होता है ना, if this was on the ground, so easy for me to mark out ना, मैं ऐसा चौक लेके I can just measure it. Imagine करो, now you are talking about ceiling. Okay, that guy is on a stool, वो ऐसे उड़ता नहीं है वो. Okay, he will have to move his stool here and there and everywhere, you know. So it's very difficult and tedious and tiresome. Okay, हाथ दुखता है. Literally they complain that. Now if that you want to make their life easy, आपने अगर यहाँ से डिस्टेंस दिया तो वो कैसे इधर भी कोई पकड़ना चाहिए, इधर भी कोई पकड़ना चाहिए, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना. Okay, they have their own systems of doing it. So what you will do is you will give the minimum distance and say this is x. Similarly this light का आप यहाँ से दे सकते हो या continuation में भी दे सकते हो. As a check point आप ये दे सकते हो कि यहाँ से check करो ये इतना आ रहा है, अगर ये नहीं है तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, and redo it again. So this is how you will do the dimensioning of the light. ये हो गया light का. Similarly fan का आएगा. Fan का भी you will give me a center point. Okay. Now generally हम fan क्या करते हैं? We do the center like this. सेंटर में हमारे अगर ऐसा फैन है तो बहुत अच्छा है, पर नहीं है तो दैट्स ओके, बिकॉज फैन need not be in the center. Always remember this, guys. Okay, because fan has to be where people are sitting. So ideally we do the electrical only on the interior layout. In an electrical layout, interior layout is it has to be there. Okay, it is compulsory. Imagine you are doing an office. Okay, and it's an architecture office, and say there are drafting boards as well as computers. Okay, there are still architects who still prefer working on a board, right? Now if you have such architects and usne apne board diya hai, okay, and then you don't provide light right over it because your grid was getting disturbed, so wo problematic hai. Okay, so then you will have to manage your grid looking at the need of the client. Okay, and then make it aesthetic adjustment, and that's where you will be always challenged with your RCP. That's what I keep telling. RCP karna bahut difficult hai because it is totally dependent on your client's need. Okay, because the layout is very different. Okay, especially in homes. Okay, imagine a living room. On one side you have 3 sofas where you sit in a C kind of a thing. Opposite wall pe aapka TV hai. How would you place the light? Okay, obviously where you would need more light where people are sitting. Okay, they might need to work on something while watching TV. Okay, a ladies would knit there or probably do something else or read. Okay, I would prefer reading and watching TV. Not that I watch TV, but I'm just saying, but these are some of the things that one has to consider the comfort of the client. Okay, otherwise you will get complaints कि अरे आपने lights तो लगा दिए लेकिन हम पढ़ ही नहीं सकते हैं. So then it will become very difficult to install another light, that because now your interior is done, your POP panels are put, so putting a hole in that POP and then doing the finish and then paint it again, too much of kharcha and too much of labor intensive work. So that's why you should plan everything, okay? And that we'll do in the lighting when we calculate कि how does a person decide this many lights are needed. Random तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती ना 2 लाइट चलेगा, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा, okay? It will depend on the function, okay? So that we will cover up today in the मतलब जो अपना lecture है lighting का उसमें. So that was C, dimensioning, okay? So dimension the fan. If this is not in the center, it's okay. So just take the center X and Y and finish it off. ठीक है, ये आपने दे दिया and it's done. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? So this is how you will dimension each and every light in your auditorium. So up till now क्या किया हमने? Position, naming and dimension of the light and every other fixture, no matter what it is, okay? If there is a smoke detector, please tell me where I am supposed to put it on the panel, right? If there are sprinklers, you have to tell them, okay, where are the sprinklers going to be, or your RCP is going to go for a toss, okay? So just have to tell them, सब कुछ उनको बताना पड़ता है, only then your plan is going to function. So this is how you will do the 3 things in the drawing. The 4th thing that you will do in your drawing is show me where the SBs are. This is D, okay? A, B, C, D. So this is the SB. Now SB1, SB2, SB3. Now see this SB बड़ा दिखता है, लेकिन ये दिख ही नहीं रहा है मुझे, which is this number. So then I will have to zoom this, okay? I will have to zoom this, okay? Now I see SB3. ऐसे मत करो. साइट पे जूमिंग पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं होगा. आपने एक पेपर भेजा है, दैट गाय इज, इट्स बिकॉज वहां पे भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डाल रहा है, अंडरस्टैंड? ही इज द गाय हु इज पुटिंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. हाउ विल ही रन द कंप्यूटर देयर? मोबाइल पे तो नहीं देख सकते ना इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्लान, नॉट पॉसिबल. तो ऑब्वियसली ड्रॉइंग्स जाते हैं, so you will have to take a printout of the drawing, and those printouts are the ones that an electrical guy will carry with him. And then if he has a problem, he will just call up and say, किचन का L3 लाइट में प्रॉब्लम है. अब आपने ये बराबर डाला है and you have the plan on your computer, you can immediately see, okay, L3 is here, and क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बोलते यहाँ पे बीम आ रहा है, यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम है, whatever. And then you also realize कि आपने नहीं देखा था, and then it can be done, okay? So obviously this kind of conversation becomes easy when there are name nomenclature, okay, when there are dimensions. Ideally तो फोन आना ही नहीं चाहिए, that should be your focus, okay? But this is how it is done, ठीक है? So this is so that means you will have to give me SB1, SB2, SB3. You will have to show me MDB in your case, since it's an institutional, MDB will be in your meter room, okay? Main distribution board, from where the lines will be taken. And since it's an institution, you will be having 2 क्या बोलते हैं, DBs, okay? DBs are distribution boards, okay? Now distribution board, obviously you will see to it that the line, just as you know that water lines may we take care, right? That we will try to put UG and OHT together ताकि मेरा pipelines कम हो जाए, for the various reason, okay? I don't want to waste electricity or the time lag or whatever. Similarly, I will try to do the same thing in electricity, and we all know the larger the run of the electricity, more the chances that it will get heated up. And that's where the क्या बोलते हैं, all your fuse and all your protective gears will come into the picture. So the best part is keep the minimum run. So then that means your DB अगर इधर है, okay, the run should be minimum. So that's how even he will plan. Imagine if I take like this, okay, so a person will take like this, this, and this way, okay? If there is यहाँ पे तो obviously this was the only one, okay? But if he has to go here, okay, and from here if I take like this, that will be far shorter than going like this. And believe me guys, they will do like this for various reasons, okay? He will charge you shorter, and he will put shorter, but he will charge you like this. That's how they do it, okay? Because wiring is pretty costly. Copper wires are pretty costly. So this is how things are done on site, okay? So any questions till now, so forth? Anybody has any doubt, please raise your hands now.
Why do we have 2 dBs?
2 dBs is in case if the building is very long. But if the building is small, you can put a centralized dB and then divide it into two sides. Idea is to cut short the run of the pipes, the wires. Hmm?
Thank you.
Yeah. Also, it's a floor wise. Na? Imagine you are on the ground floor and then you are running from ground floor to second floor and from second floor everywhere. That will be such a big run. Problem hai na? So what I'll do is I'll take MDB to DB 1, MDB to DB 2. So I'll draw it here for you. So if this is DB 1 and this is DB 2. Now imagine you have MDB somewhere in the meter room, okay? And you did not have this DB1. So what this guy will have to do, he will run like this. Now this guy will be supplying to first floor. Problem. He will be supplying to second floor. This guy will be supplying to third floor. It will burn out. Or you will have to load this so much or design it with the load so much. And then the problem is all these wires are at the risk of burning out, okay, because more electricity is passing. So ideally, if I have D1, D2, I will give one like this, one like this. And if there is a third floor, then I'll give one like this. And that's how I distribute my electricity, just to protect my wires from heating up. Longer the run, higher the heat. Simple. That's how I increase the voltage. Na? But can I do the increased voltage within a house? No way. Okay, है ही नहीं मेरे पास possibility नहीं है. I need a substation for that, which we don't have it in the house or an institution, right? So when we do the high-rise building electricity in the next year or final year, there we will study why high tension cables are brought into the site. Why do you need a transformer? Why do you need a substation or a generator facility? And then how does the entire thing works? We'll do that in the next semester when we do the high-rise advanced building services. So this is fine, okay? तो ये सब हो गया अभी. Now that guy doesn't know what does this mean, okay? जो भी symbols आपने use किया है for the light, okay? So the symbols का भी legend आएगा. So the easiest way is you can put another line here and say L1 and use different symbols. L1 है, C1 है, F1 है, जो भी है. So that way you can minimize the number of legends that you have. This could be another way of doing it, or best is you give me another thing which says all the names of it. These are the symbols, these are the names, okay? So that way दो legend हो गया, ठीक है? The third dimension, no, D हो गया. E is the distance of how do you place the SB on the wall. Where do you put it, right? And I already explained you in the lecture. Generally, as I said, we put a interior layout when we do the electrical plan. So in the interior layout, suppose if this is the bedroom, okay, and the bed is planned something like this, and this entire wall is considered as the wardrobe. चलो अब मेरे को बताओ ये लाइट किधर आएगा? Above the wardrobe क्या दिखेगा मुझे? So how will I know how? So in this case, the only thing is this. But then यहाँ पे उसने SB डाला है, तो मेरा wardrobe कहाँ जाएगा? You see, this is not planned with the layout of the furniture. So you need to plan out your furniture first, and then नहीं तो ये लाई SB कैसे जाएगा? तुम्हारा है कबर्ड का जगह किधर है इधर? Or it could mean कि मैं यहाँ पे कबर्ड रखूँ तो यहाँ पे भी उसने SB डाला है और ये तो that means there is no cupboard thought of in the bedroom. You understand the problem now, guys? So this is how you will have to start. This is possible क्योंकि यहाँ पे सोफा आ सकता है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे सोफा आ सकता है, सोफा छोटा रहता है, उसके ऊपर लाइट आ सकता है, ठीक है? So this is possible, and this is where my TV and all that, so all the SB and everything. और TV के ऊपर I can put an MD, that's fine, okay, no problem. This is fine, okay? But imagine this, यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी there is, unless you have a light within a cupboard, होता है ना, where you open the cupboard and the light automatically goes on. So there are cupboards, or जैसे fridge में कैसा, you open the refrigerator and the light goes on. Similarly, you can plan a light like that. The moment you open the door, the light will go on within the cupboard, where it's very easy for you to find stuff. So if that is the case, then it's a different thing. Okay. but otherwise you will have to make a khacha in the cupboard, okay, and give special place for the SB. Just like stupid, okay, what a waste of space. So this is what I was trying to say when saying that in auditorium that thankfully you will not have a problem, okay, because it's too large, okay, and you have SBs planned not here but somewhere else. आपको उतना problem नहीं होगा, but since it is you will be doing residential more often than auditoriums, okay, you should know that these are the problems when you come across these kind of plans. Okay, so then you have to say out where do you plan your SB, okay, where do you plan your MDB's distance of the wall, and then obviously in sections you will show me the height, or maybe you give a legend. The legend, there will be a third legend that I'm going to talk about, is where you will be showing me the connection. Okay, so this is how so we finished E. Okay, now come to this was the detail of this. So here this, so obviously this DB SB should have been here, okay, right near to the wall, okay, but ठीक है उसने यहाँ पे दिया है, तो ये distance he will have to mention. Similarly, this SB cannot be randomly on the wall, right? It should be at some distance, because maybe he has planned a wardrobe here, maybe he has planned something here, I don't know. So according to the plan, you will have to show me what is this distance. And in the section, you will show me what is the height of it. Okay? So you will have to give me the height as well as one dimension. Okay? So this is how you will give me the detail of the electrical plan. Now coming to that was 1, 2, this is the third legend that you will be showing me. The third legend is this. Obviously switchboard aayega, right? Then you will have the board height from the floor, which I just explained, okay? So, or what you can do is in this plan, you mention the height, yahan pe. वो भी आप कर सकते हो. As I told you guys, it's a language, okay? I speak Hindi in, say, Bombaya language, okay? Maybe someone from Lucknow will speak a very polished Hindi, but we are essentially speaking Hindi. Okay? A person speaking English from US versus person speaking from UK, their accents are so different, right? But they're essentially speaking English. Similarly, I might write like this, and you might write like that, but we are essentially speaking electricity, okay? So that's the idea. So don't get bogged down ki main understand one thing. Your drawing has to speak to that guy. Information complete देना है, okay? वो आप इंग्लिश में दो या हिंदी में दो, doesn't matter. वो विजुअल में उसको वो क्लियर कट जाना चाहिए. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द एजेंडा गाइज, यू विल नॉट बॉदर अबाउट मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ या जिमी क्या बोल रहा है, विक्रम क्या बोल रहा है, किमया क्या बोल रही है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, because you are giving the right information at the right time. That's important. Understand that. So maybe some architects prefer कि मैं यहीं पे height दे देता हूँ. Why will I refer the table? Okay. Some people say why do I want to clutter my drawing? Okay, बहुत सारा lines आने वाला है. So I will put it there. It's up to you. Anyway, so यहाँ पे I have given the person who has done this has given the heights here. Now the lights, okay? Now see, this is so very incomplete. Now if I take light, okay, and I take SB1 bedroom, that means this. So SB1 कहाँ पे है? ये वाला. Okay, this is the SB1. Okay. Now this is my SB1. Okay, I'm going to the table again. Now SB1 में what he has done is there are no lights. Okay, there are no fans. यानी this is all four of them are not connected to SB1 at all. तो SB1 में क्या connected है? SB1 में आपका 1 full and 1 half. 1 full and 1 half means there is 115 ampere ka this thing. Why is writing 1 full 1 half? Oh, that means there are three. So okay, guys, 0.5. Okay, 0.5 is considered as 5 ampere is considered as 0.5 point. But like I told you, I am not going to confuse you about the points because we are not going to calculate that. Okay, हम नहीं करेंगे, so we'll just skip that. All you need to do is just say 5 ampere and 15 ampere points which are there on the switchboard. So that's what you are going to see here. So you see this thing here shown here, and in the legend, अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ पे देखो 5A power point 15A power point, and these are the ones which he is putting it here. Okay, so that means no, he is not putting 15 ampere, and that's what his table is also saying. 15 ampere is 0. Okay, so this is basically that. Then you have a TV point, obviously, because you have a 5 ampere point, you will have a TV. Okay, so TV यहाँ पे रहेगा, and you will have a TV attached to the SB. So basically SB is only meant, I guess, for the TV. ठीक है, and then nothing is there, telephone नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, and that's how he has done this. Now why 7 modules when I have only this? Maybe there are some extra he has kept, that being a TV, probably आगे जाके कोई, he will put speakers there, probably he will attach some computer there, पता नहीं. So maybe he has kept some extra module, that's why he has, but actually that should be written here. Actually अगर extra है, you need to write extra module. And then say these are the extra lights that in future if I want to install some more switches, I can do that. Okay, so that's how it is done. Okay, now let's take SB2. SB2 is at this height. Okay, iska height bhi dekho, it is nearer to the TV. Okay, so it is only meant for TV. SB2 ke 2 switches. Okay, two way switches hoga, 2 switches, 1 into 2-way. Okay, so that is how he has done this. So all of these are into SB2. That means when I enter, I put on the lights and all 4 of them will come on. Okay. Fans with regulator, it's a 2-way, 3 spaces. Now why 3 spaces? मैंने बताया था ना आपको कि regulator is 2 modules and उसका switch is a 1 module. So 1, 2, 3. That's why 3 spaces. So actually she is counting the, or he is counting the modules that happen there. And then some extra he would put, or she would put. So that's how this is happening. Okay? So that means when I do the connections, I will do this. अब उसने मेरे को स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं दिया है कि वो पैरेलल में है कि सीरीज में है. And the fan is also here. Okay, so once I enter the bedroom, I can put everything on through this. Okay, understood now what the table and the connections are showing? Actually the connections have to be shown. ऐसे मत दिखाओ आप. Actually you are supposed to show this, and that you will see in the next plan. Okay, 1 into 2-way, and 2-way means that this plan is also, maybe this is connected this. So when the person wants, he's sitting here or maybe watching or sitting in an armchair, पता नहीं अभी इसका bed किधर है, यहाँ पे है कि यहाँ पे, we don't know because there is nothing shown here. Now suppose the bed is on this side because यहाँ पे 1-way switch है, 2-way switch है. Suppose the bed is like this, okay, with this here. This while sleeping, then he can put off and the things can go out. So something like this he must have thought about when he suggested all this. Okay? So that's how, again, 5 ampere points hai in the SB. So that's, but he has not dikhaya hai either one 5 ampere point. You can see faint blue line. Okay. Another thing that I would like to point out is electricity by itself is very tiny. So when you do the drawings are exaggerated. Okay, we definitely want to show that the agenda of the drawing is not the walls and the beams and everything. The agenda of the drawing is to show those tiny switchboards, those tiny symbols that you have done, but do the symbols in a way that they stand out. Ekdam dikhne wala nahi, या use the color is so bad कि oh, I cannot see the yellow color on this. Okay, so use bold, okay, and stand the drawing out. That is the idea. Okay, so that's how the thing is. Okay, and then SB3 has
Meena?
again, yes.
Sorry, I just want to ask. So in our switchboards for our auditoriums, we'll have the
Mhm.
lobby and we'll have the auditorium, right?
Yeah.
So lobby will have one centralized.
You can have only auditorium, or you can do both. If you are interested, you can do the whole
No,
auditorium.
but
for
in
that.
either case, it's an institutional
Yeah.
space, so it's not like we leave the switchboard out for the public to access, right?
Yes,
The
exactly.
lighting of the lobby will probably be in the manager's office, and then the ticket counter
Yes.
and the kitchen will have their own sort of maybe
Exactly.
switchboards.
Exactly.
And Audi का control room में रहेगा ना?
Right. That's why I'm saying you really do. Your job is very easy. You will have to just show one whole big switchboard, okay, and everything is taken care of. The problem arises when in a same room you have 3 switchboards, like you have in a residential. आपके घर में ही होगा, okay? Where in a bedroom probably you will have 2 switchboards, in living room probably you will have 2 to 3 switchboards. So that's how you will have it. So that's where the problem is, because then that guy will get confused. कौन सी light कौन से switchboard को लगानी है, उसको पता ही नहीं है, and फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. So then every time, imagine you have to get up to put on a light. And you had planned as an architect, while sitting, I can shut off and shut on, put on the light. Hai na? But because you did not give the drawings well, okay, now the client has to get up every time to put on and off the light. And imagine if she is 65-year-old lady who has creaking knees, and she will curse you throughout the light. Kya planning kiya? You know, I mean, it should be nearby where I can shut it off. So that is where, that's what I'm saying. Okay, all this is so client related, you know, and the need related, because because ultimately you're planning for comfort. Okay, so please understand the value of this, okay, and these kind of this thing. Ideally, so I'll show you the next plan. Now, yahan pe dekho. This is actually external. I want to show you this plan. I'll zoom in one area, say this area. This is actually how it is to be shown, not the previous one, okay? Where, see the naming of the TB7, H7, F4, TB8, room 4, and then what he has done is, table nahi hai isme, 1 second. I think table is in the next, yeah. So then he has done room 1, then he has zoomed in, okay, just to give this table, okay? So look at the way the person has taken the effort to make it understand to the faculty. Similarly, you will have to do it to your contractor. This was at a larger level where it was difficult for everyone to see and read, because imagine this is one sheet and you are putting this, okay? So then what he did was he had taken this and taken out here, only that area. And then he has actually taken room 1. So room 1 is here. Let's zoom in there. Room 1 ये वाला है, ठीक है? Now room 1 में देखो क्या है, TB2. TB2 is connected to SB1. TB1 is connected to SB1. So what he's saying here is, see tube lights, switchboard. See, he has given tube lights, CFLs, fans, okay, plug points. Suppose you have 3 kinds of light. You will make one more table. Okay. Now, why do I do this? Why do I do this? Kya zarurat hai? I can say na, in this lights, I can make this. 1 minute. I can go and say this na, okay, this is light, and then right here TB1, CFL1, switchboard mein hai, SB1 ko ye sare connected. The problem is, guys, when the project is very large, okay, even if it is a small project of interior, say about 3-bedroom hall kitchen ka aapka interiors hai, you will have to give a budget to your client, or maybe you will have to give something that he can order, because he will be the, you are ordering, of course, okay, or probably your contractor is ordering. You don't know who is doing that, okay? Whoever is doing it, you have to make their life easy. So yahan pe, if you do segregation like this, then it is easy for me to place order. TB कितना आएगा, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, दोनों रूम में मुझे 6 चाहिए, and if there are repeated such rooms, multiply one room by this and I'm done, okay? So that's how, actually 6 नहीं है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 12 है, तो I will have 12 TB in all this area. Easy ना to calculate number, but order देना है, बाबा 12 ट्यूबलाइट भेज दो, okay? CFL इतना भेज दो, fans इतना भेज दो. अभी fan में भी देखो, okay? यहाँ पे actually he has not given any what do you say, specification. That's why I asked you to make a specification यहाँ पे ना. In this I asked you that another table will come where you will specify everything. So when I say F1 में आप लिखोगे 3 feet dia, okay, 3 feet dia, whatever fan का जो भी है आपका दूसरा specifications, all that, make, the color, the texture, maybe you say white, okay, ceiling fan, of say कौन सा अभी नया निकला है, which is very, Sachin Tendulkar and Dhoni and everybody comes and do that, okay, so Bajaj or whatever. Whatever. So you name that and finish it off, okay? And take the specification from that catalog and finish it off. So this is F1. But तुम्हारा F2 kitchen में है, suppose, Okay, now F2 is in the kitchen and that is of a small because kitchen तुम्हारा छोटा है and you don't need, see this size and this size is different. Now if F2 is small then you will have to mention here कि ये सिर्फ 2 feet का है, इसका diameter is just 2 feet. Okay, तो ये आपको mention करना पड़ेगा. So everything that is different you will have to mention. Okay, now say tube lights TB1, T1 and T2, but दोनों different है. They are both tube lights but they are both different. In what sense? एक है 4 feet का, this is 4 feet, और ये है the T1 is only 2 feet. Okay, ये white light है, ये yellow light है. तो कौन बताएगा मुझे ये? So when I have to place the order, how will I place the order? है ना complicated life. एक पिज्जा ऑर्डर करने के लिए हम कितना सोचते हैं, उसमें oregano ज्यादा डालो. Do not put jalapenos, okay? Give more cheese, okay? I don't like pepper, so don't put pepper. I don't like baby corn, so don't put baby corn. हम कितना specification देते हैं ना, extra cheese डालो, ये sauce डालो, वो sauce डालो, सब हम specification देते हैं because we want the pizza of our choice, salad of my choice and my taste. Similarly, guys, you will have to specify everything if you want the building of your choice. Otherwise, you get building of their choice. We have समझ लो. Got it? Am I clear? Am I clear? Any questions? बस यही करना है आपको. This is it. One plan, one section, and 3 legends, and you are done. 3 legends.
And most important is how we document it, right? Like even if the placement is thoda off because it's the first try, the most important is how we document it, right?
Document it
Obviously,
in the sense.
like how we mark it. So even if my placement, like I don't put enough fans or enough tape, this thing is that obviously I should put proper, but instead of worrying 10 hours about how my fans are placed, I should spend that time documenting all my this thing, marking it out in plan, writing it down
Yes.
properly in the legend, rather than spending 10 hours placing my fans.
Yeah, exactly. If you don't do this, then that guy, his work is cut out. I mean, he will have to spend a lot of time, and who ends up, because they charge you labor, okay? And I'm telling you these practical points because ultimately, guys, your client will be very unhappy कि जब आपका budget overshoot होता है. He has given you the budget. Now, budget can go wrong in case if there is wrong timing. Project management, it doesn't happen within the time limit because of some mistakes on your part or their part or what. Sometimes you give the correct drawing, okay? आपने सब कुछ दिया है, and that time you can actually sit on that contractor's head and say अभी तू भर पैसा, because contractor की mistake थी, he did not follow the drawings that you have given, and that time you have the proof and client can then side with you. But imagine it's so embarrassing when you don't have the drawing to support your this thing, and contractor will say आपका drawing किधर है बताइए, you did not give me this drawing, and he will show the drawing and say कहाँ आपने कुछ लिखा है इसमें, मैंने तो जो समझा वो कर दिया, हमने लास्ट साइट में ऐसे किया था, इधर भी ऐसे किया, अरे लास्ट साइट अलग था, ये साइट अलग है, उसका क्लाइंट अलग था, इसका रिक्वायरमेंट अलग है. So that is where, guys, your drawing is your support system. If you have the drawing, it's like sabut hai mere paas, okay? Nobody can blame me, you know? So that's how it is. ठीक है?
But drawings I can always edit and say, "Arey, I always made this."
पर एक बार print जाता है तो उसका क्या करेगा तुम?
अच्छा, right. They have a copy.
Then they have a copy. That's what I'm saying. It's not easy to fool them. And that's where again PP mein Mamta will take you through. Paperwork is such a pain in architecture's life, and I hate doing that. But we have to do that whenever we send a drawing. Okay, drawing ke upar we give a proforma where the person signs, and that thing comes back to me. That means that he has received the drawing that I have sent. Neither can I change the drawing, neither can he say that I have not given the, because his sign is there. अरे बहुत कुछ होता है when, especially when the large government projects happen that runs in crores, you have to do only paperwork. Creativity गई खड्डे में, यही काम बचता है, and it is so irritating. That's where you require people around you who will do all these kind of a thing, and you can focus on design. But if you are single-handed, and then you will have to manage that also, you have to manage this also, and believe me, it is management. It's all about time management. Okay, nobody then you can say कि अरे ये काम कर रही थी इसके लिए मेरा drawing नहीं हो गया. The people are not going to wait on the site for you. Okay, they will plain complain against you. Okay, then they will not say why she was sick, he was sick. हाँ, उसके घर में डेथ हो गया, कोरोना हो गया, कुछ नहीं चलता है guys. कोरोना के time we have given the drawings. Okay? Doesn't work like that. So the life is very tough. I just tell my kids, I tell my own kid that education is the longest vacation you have. कर लो मजा. Once you come into the field, it's cruel. But I'm not scaring you. It's fun also. बहुत मजा भी आता है when you see your project coming up. It's like baby growing in front of you. You know, it's really fun. So yes. Any questions, guys? Then I can go ahead because now it's almost done. And the last thing that you have to do is the site drawing. Site में देखो आपने ये बंदे ने क्या किया है, okay? This was my very dear student Shwetank Maheshwari, okay? He's still in touch with me, amazing guy. I mean, I can give his example. Was his drawings were always done 2 days before the submissions, and then 2 days he would help people. I mean, he was that time management ka pakka banda tha. So if I zoom this, okay, see this, okay. Now where there is a congregation, see the lights are very light, okay. So obviously there are problems with the representation. That's what I said. The agenda of the drawing is to exaggerate the drawing. Nothing in this is to the scale, okay. Only the plan is to the scale. बाकी अगर lights आप ऐसे दिखाओगे तो lights कहाँ दिखने वाली है? Instead, if I show my light like this in a very bold color, if I show something like this, okay, and then mention L1 because it is LED, won't that be seen clearly? Okay, so similarly I will make this, okay, and that's how I will be very boldly able to see the lights, the distance between the lights, the nomenclature of the light, and the connection of the light. Now why should the connection of the site light so important than the normal room? Room chota sa hai. You saw the room 1, right? You saw this chotu sa room. Connections really doesn't matter. Okay, but when I'm talking about the site, okay, when I'm talking, you can see the distance. Okay, this is a hostel. I think this was the hostel area. That's why they have room 1 and 2 and a common toilet and everything, which you saw in the previous plan. But so this was the hostel area, okay, with the girls and a boys hostel separate, and so there were 3 floors and blah 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 and all that. अब ये कितना लंबा साइट है, तो ऑब्वियसली आप पैरेलल नहीं करोगे, कितने लाइट्स आएंगे, सो यू विल एटलीस्ट, एंड सीरीज भी नहीं करोगे बिकॉज देन यू आर एंडिंग अप पेइंग फॉर वेरी हाई बिल, whether you need it or not, all lights will come on. So very smartly what he did was, instead of connecting all lines on series, उसने सिर्फ 3 lights लिया, which he connected on series. Okay, that's why he is getting series 1, series 2, series 3, 4, and then he made it with different colors, so that the electrician who is seeing it, he knows by the color. Of course the colors are very bad, but I'm just saying, okay, with the help of the colors, he knows that L1, L3 and L5 are in a series. Okay, now ideally what you should do here is mention the light also. Okay, a series 1 mein L1, 5, 3, sorry, and 5 bhi hai. Okay, that way I can, even if I then don't show the lines, my table is speaking everything. कि ये green line है, suppose ये green line है, it is connecting series 2. Okay, the 2 is 2, 4, 6, the lights are connected in this thing, and they are always alternative. Why alternative? ये light is on the, why do we put light on the plot boundary? For safety reason, right? रात का time है, that चौकीदार अकेला है, and what if there are no lights and there are some intruders who come into your property for burglary or whatever, and he has to identify them. Okay, and if the lights are not there, there is a problem, and we all know that lights can go out, electricity can conk out, there are load shedding, yeah, certain phases not working. So in such a scenario, if agar ye line hai, if I do L1, 2 and 3, तीनों को साथ में एक ही फेज में डाला मैंने, एक ही फेज में डाला, और ये phase conk out हो गया, that means this entire 30 meters is gone, because distance generally between two lights we keep it as 10 to 12 or 15 meters. Okay, we don't put them very close by. Actually 10 meters भी मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. We can आराम से put it at 20 meters, no problem. But idea is just to see the person, that's it, not detail है ना, कौन सा कपड़ा पहना है, क्या ज्वेलरी पहना है, I'm not interested, but I should be able to see, recognize the form and his face, that's it. So 20 meters is good enough. So if I do this, then this entire 60 meters is in dark, because ये phase नहीं चल रहा है. But if this is on second phase, this is on first phase, and this is on third phase, if the distribution of the light is done this way, भले ना second phase नहीं चल रहा है, मेरा first and 3 चल रहा है, चलो ना first भी गया, at least 3 is running. That way I safeguard the safety of my building. So इतना planning करते हैं guys for the safety of your building, and that's how you will also show it on your site. I will explain this whole thing again once again. You have light 1. I will just say 1, okay? I'm not writing L. Very difficult for me to write with my right hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all the lights on my site. Of course, they are straight. यहाँ पे मेरे पास जगह नहीं है, इसके लिए मैंने ऐसे किया है, ठीक है? I do it like this. How will I connect? 1, 3, 5. ठीक है? Can I change the color of this? Pointer option, ink color. Okay, I will go for ठीक है. Okay, now I'll say 2, 4, 6. That is the second series, okay, which is on second phase. Okay, then comes the third series. Let me change the light again. I will use orange. And the third one is saying again 7, 9 and 11. तुम्हारा इधर 11 आएगा वो. Got it? So this is how you, but then series 1, 3, 5 and 7, 9, 11 is on the same phase. थोड़ा complicated है, थोड़ा समझो what I'm trying to say. This is for the safety. In case if this 1 is gone out, ये पूरा चला गया, 1 नहीं चल रहा है, 3 नहीं चल रहा है, 5 nahi chal raha hai, because they are all on the same phase. They are all on the same phase, right? Because it's the series is on one phase. You understand now? We did the distribution 3 phase, single phase, 3 phase. So that's how this is. But yet my 2, 4, 6, 8 is working and 10 is working. That means that I am still, that area is still under safety. That is the planning you will have to do. Now, do you have to do it? It is up to you. ये आप पे है. नहीं भी करोगे, and if you just show me this on a series, I am okay. But my suggestion is that since I have explained this to you, and if it is possible, go for it. नहीं possible है, it is accepted. ठीक है? But any questions कि ये नहीं समझा? And I have uploaded the PPT. You can please have a look at it, okay? So that way it will be easier for you to understand. Now suppose just to make your life easy, okay, and if I plan it out like this, if I make another column like this and a third column like this, okay, if I do like this, यहाँ पे हम phase लिखते हैं. This is my phase and these are my lights. This is the color, this is the name, these are my lights and this is the phase. Won't the life become easy for the electrician? You can say na series में 1, 3, 5 on phase 1, 2, 4, 6 on phase 2, 3 ka 5, 6, 6. So 7, 9, 11 on phase 3. Again phase 1, 2, 3. Again phase 1, 2, 3. Similarly, the lights will go on changing. That's how you plan. Simple है. ये थोड़ा spoon feeding हो गया, but anyways. Got it? Any other questions? This is how it is. Individual electric rooms where you do this kind of a thing. Okay. And these are the modules. So I think most of you understood, but this is how the modules are planned. Now, any regulator. Okay, I'll change the color. Your regulator. your plug, whether it is 15, whether it is 5, doesn't matter. Regulator and plug are always two modules. देखो आप यहाँ पे, you see this scale, see this and see this, they are same. यहाँ पे हम दो स्विच डाल सकते हैं, एक स्विच का एक मॉड्यूल होता है, रिमेंबर दैट. वन स्विच, दिस इज वन मॉड्यूल, अनदर मॉड्यूल, थर्ड मॉड्यूल, तो टोटल 3 मॉड्यूल है ना. तो यहाँ पे आपका प्लग है या आपका रेगुलेटर है, इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज 2 मॉड्यूल. ठीक है, so that's how you will plan your modules. Now if you want to go for all these kind of details, you are welcome, most welcome, it will be fun to see that. But otherwise you can just do the basics and give me. The basic is those 3 things, okay? And I'm not even asking you to calculate the wattage and points and all that. वो हम नहीं करने वाले हैं. Just show me the generally points हम नहीं करते हैं, okay? Points is done by the electrical guy. But you should be aware of that, and that's what I told you. It's the run of the 5 ampere is 0.5. 15 ampere is 1 point. Any questions, guys? Any questions? This is how it is, and I'm not going here. Different ways of generation. That is just an example of to show how electricity has been used innovatively, or kind of created innovatively. From water, they create electricity. So if there are no questions, I understand every one of you understood everything or nothing. So you don't know what to question. Is that it?
Meter, I had
Yes.
a doubt regarding the MDBs.
Yes.
So is it fine that if I have my main distribution board at like a far off space and then I divide it into sub distribution boards according to my areas?
Yes, that's how you're supposed to do.
Like it's on my first floor, like the MDB can be there on the first floor.
Yeah, it could be there.
Okay.
It could be there, it could be in the meter room as well, doesn't matter. कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. But remember, at the start of the large cable, there has to be the fuse. But that you don't have to worry. वो आपको नहीं दिखाना है. As I'm telling you, this is just a theory. But this obviously your guy will do it. Lekin it is important for me to protect the line originating from wherever that fixture. So origination is my bus bar chamber, right? Now bus bar से जब वो originate होता है, it goes to the meter, and meter से then it goes to the fuse, and then it is taken to the DV. The fuse is never put at the end, it is always put at the start. So but guys, I'm just telling this as a theory. You don't have to show the positions of the fuse and all that. No, that's not your job. That the electrical guy will do it. But if he is making a mistake and if he's eliminating it and cutting cost at your cost, then you should be aware of it. होता है कभी भी, they will take you for a ride. अरे सर जरूरत नहीं है, अरे क्या जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे पता है जरूरत है, डालो उधर. और मैंने अपने उसमें डाला है, मेरे BOQ में है तो तुम क्यों नहीं डाल रहा है? BOQ will give you the number, quantity and quality. Quantity by saying 12 mm thick glass. तो कौन सा ग्लास लाएगा वो? बेवेल्ड लाएगा? हाँ, वो तो लाएगा तुम्हारा वायर वाला, एकदम वायर प्रूफ वाला है ना, गन प्रूफ वाला, and it will cost you a bomb. Okay, you have to specify 12 mm plain glass, or 12 mm translucent glass, or 12 mm glass with a film on one side. फिल्म का थिकनेस, फिल्म का कलर, वो भी आपको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. So you will have to mention that. Okay, so MDB can be in the room, it can be outside the room, room in the sense meter room. Okay, and from MDB you will take distribution of first floor, second floor, third floor. So take KRVI for example. This is exactly like KRVI. KRVI stand है, ये थोड़ा टेढ़ा है. Okay, imagine this is KRVI का building. यहाँ पे somewhere is Manoj का room. Okay, पहले Paul का room था. On this side we have all staff room and library, while on this side you have all the studio. बराबर है, exactly matching KRVI. Now, if what is happening in KRVI, this is where my auditorium is. ठीक है? If this is my auditorium, this is where the staircase is, and यहाँ पे मेरा meter room है. What they have done is, from the meter room, यहाँ पे आपके toilets है ना, KRVI में, you have one toilet here and you have one toilet here for the staff. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे toilet के यहाँ पे ये wall ऐसे जाता है. This becomes your balcony which you look into, and यहाँ पे आपका lawn है. Now what they have done is, on this wall they have kept a DB. So from here the line comes here. From here the line goes here. That's how they have taken the lines. And from DB, the line is going to 5th year studio, तुम्हारा computer lab, AV room, 4th year studio. From here, it goes to the back, पीछे का portion of the library, to the library में कितना सारा points है, to the staff room and to the office. Got it? So one distribution is done by one distribution box, the other wing is distributed by another distribution box. Got it? That is how the distribution is done at KRVI.
So we don't have like a separate distribution box for each floor.
Yeah, I mean, for each floor, yes. So the same thing is happening at the second floor, where at the second floor you have a toilet here also, and there is a DB here. While at the master's level you have a toilet there also, and you have a DB here. So the same thing happens at the second floor. It has to happen floor wise. But floor में कैसा रहता है? Many of you will have just this single one floor and not very long. Okay, there you can just have one DB. चलेगा. From 1 dB, then you can take SB1, SB2, SB3, SB4, 5, जो भी है. Or you can do it in a series wise, वो भी चलता है. Okay, so that is how you will give the supply to all the SB, and then each individual SB, this in case of a residential, will supply to say bedroom 1 light, bedroom 2 light, bedroom 3 light, bedroom fan, bedroom TV, bedroom blah, blah, blah. Okay. Got it?
How big will our meter room have to be in terms of area?
If it is just 1 meter, okay, it can be as small as 2 by 2. As small as that. Okay. Even
Achha.
खांचा भी चलेगा, because there is only 1 meter. है ना?
Right.
Nothing else on that except 1 meter, thoda sa bus bar, and that's it. Because even though it's 1 meter, I will need to take lines for the this and that. Okay. Like for example, in our this thing, नीचे का जो auditorium का bill है, we don't pay. That is paid by the mandal. So the ground floor is not in our hand, but first, second floor and the terrace is in our hand. So we pay bill according to that. So our meter is just billing the first 3 this thing. So ऐसे होता है. So then there will be 2 meters there, or maybe their meter is placed somewhere else. उनका कुछ होगा, I don't know how they take it. That's what I'm saying. Meter electricity lines like water lines are very easy to take. कितना भी आप घुमा सकते हो, no problem.
And just for reference, if in my AD I'm making a G+3 clinic, uska meter box, how big will that be? I'm just like marking out that plot in case I ever need to.
Again, it's a clinic, right? Which is by one guy. It will be 1 meter.
Like there's different kinds of rooms, like a polyclinic. So wo bhi chalta hai na?
Yeah, polyclinic. See, polyclinic is always under one head. वहाँ पे different consultants will come according to their time, and they will give their services.
So one by one.
No, say you are having a clinic at one level, a bank headquarter at another level, third level pe you are having some offices. Okay, now all 3 are under different heads. All 3 are paying different bills. Then you will have 3 meters taking to each floor. And since this is institution, you have a long building. Each floor ka bhi fir DB hoga, but related to that meter, not related to 1 meter. Understand, na? तो
Yeah,
clinic
yeah,
का
yeah.
1 meter होगा, but since the floor is very big, one big chunk will go to 1 dB, another chunk will go to another dB, and hospital का ही dB1 dB2 होगा. If the
Right.
floor plate is very large, like here we have, very long rather, large in the sense very long. If it is very square रहेगा, तो I can put central and I can take 10 lines from there, no problem.
Right.
But if it is like very longish, that's why I say, if you imagine the redoing of services in KRVI, what if I put all my services in the center place, okay, and then open out my two end areas? Everything will reduce half. Why then
Right.
I will have 2 toilets? I will have centralized toilet. Why will I then have 1, 2, 3 staircases? I can have just one large staircase which will work because people are able to run from either side and access that. Why will I need to waste space so much? So it could be planned very differently. That's why core of the building, we'll study that in the final year and fourth year. But this is what I'm saying. The services play a very large role in defining the form of the building also.
Right.
It's how you
Right.
place them, okay, and how you minimize the cost. Because as I say, and which is what I just took a lecture on services on BMS in final year. That was the last lecture, where one of the slides speaks that 75% of the life cycle cost of your building. Yani ke you started from the cleaning of the site till the day people have lived in that building for say 70 years and now the building is demolished. If I calculate the total cost of the building, okay, till that 70 years, each and every day, electrical bills of each month, blah, 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 everything if I calculate, तो पूरा जो भी करोड़ में पैसा आएगा उसका 75% cost is services related and only 25% construction related.
Right.
So that is that is something
Right.
which a builder is not paying. Who is paying? The bloody client. Poor thing.
And they'll curse you if you're the architect.
Definitely, definitely. And there are, and I'll tell you this, this was an amazing experience we had when we went to Delhi. So in one of the building of Delhi, it was in Gurgaon, and we went there. It was a nice, basically physiotherapy clinic ka research center tha. And of course, it was a clinic as well. So patient ka bahar tha, but inside it used to be a research center where people were working out the different molds of how to help the people with disabilities, or maybe they have come across an accident और उनका हाथ stiff हो गया है, तो वो mold कैसे लगा के उनको help करना है. So this was all kind of a research thing going inside. And Ashok Lal was the architect, and he, fortunately, we were lucky that he escorted us and he took us through the building. And while we were going, it seems he must have gone there for the interiors, maybe some changes in the interiors. I don't know why, but people knew him. But when he was walking, I mean, people would literally come and say, "Thank you for giving this building," and it was like goosebumps aa gaye the mere. You know, it was so amazing that you are being thanked by the people staying in your building because they find the building extremely comfortable and very motivating. I mean, that is, I think, better than getting my fees. You know, it's like that. It was so amazing experience. We were all shell shocked. All of us were like, and he was like, "Thank you, thank you." It was such an amazing experience. But that happens because the kind of services that he had used was amazing, and even we could feel it. There was no AC used, okay. AC भी displacement तरीके से use किया था. That means it was very हल्का सा. There were no draughts created. There were no molds formation because AC sometimes leaks, okay, and has a very, if the AC ka condensation happens, basically that means you will have to put buckets there, okay, which is what happens in a split AC. And sometimes it leaks, okay, and that's when you have fungus forming on the wall. Imagine you are creating a clinic and you have this kind of a thing. Totally not done. But this building was in use for 5-6 years, maybe more. I don't remember now. But and it was functioning the way it was started off. So that is the power of services. That was really the best experience I have had.
Asha, one last question I'll bother you with before we can move to lighting.
Mm.
Uh, So when I want to put, I can put my pump room right next to my meter room in my tech, right? Like they won't have any issue clashing with each other,
Many
right?
times you will see in societies, they will have meter room along with the pump room.
हाँ, right. And my pump
Of
room
course.
का size doesn't
Yeah.
matter, na?
Meter room mein mat rakho. I mean, oh God, let me not bluff you. I mean, don't take me wrong. Do not,
हाँ.
for heaven's sake, put pump room and meter in one room, but
Say not
side
one
by
room.
side by side.
They can share a wall, right? Then my pump
Yeah,
room
they
will
can
be,
share a.
हाँ.
Yes,
Pump
yes.
room का size is basically just
Hmm.
little above the, उसमें pump आएगा, I just build walls around it, na? So then
Yeah,
that's
that's it.
manageable.
That's it. Hmm.
Thank you.
Can be done.
Meedle, I had a doubt. Can my meter room be on the basement level?
It can be, but just remember that basements can flood very easily. With little rain, basements can flood. So you need to protect your base meter. So I'll show you the diagram where they show the meter room. Can you see my this thing? No, पीछे है. Meter room. हाँ. See this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now see this, okay? You have so many open wires here. This is Jamila and Joel of the wires. Okay. Obviously, this is a very old kind of services now. Building shayad 15 saal purana ho gaya hai, and you can actually see that these are the new meters and these are the old ones. So obviously things have been worked here, okay? But you can see the height at which this is not resting on the floor. So this is at least 3 feet above. 3 feet nahi to at least 2 feet. 2 feet बोलेगा तो 60 centimeters. Above the floor, okay? And the floor, ये अगर आपका मीटर का फ्लोर है तो तुम्हारा plinth इधर होना. So this is on the plinth, okay? Never, and this is your ground, okay? And from the plinth you have 2 feet. यानी actually you are, this is 45 centimeter because this is 3 steps and this is 0.6. यानी almost 1.5, 1 meter पे है ये, okay? The whole thing is, which is almost like 3 feet, okay? So that precaution you will have to do even at the basement. Basements में तो शायद you will have to really raise a high plinth, actually put a meter room on a plinth, give the steps to go to the meter room and then take the panel up. So that even if the basement floods, your meter room is not affected, because guys, water is one of the best conductor of electricity. Okay, they are not friendly, or rather they are too friendly. You know, they will conduct each other. So ये problem है. So that's why many times you will see that when your walls sometimes leak hota hai, and by chance if your over a period of time your walls have degraded and the wires have degraded and kuch to live wire is coming in touch with the water, the whole wall becomes electric. आप wall पे हाथ रखते हो आपको shock लगता है. So sometimes it can be that that can be that problematic, you know. So we don't want to take such chances where electricity are concerned. Majority of the fire, guys, majority of the fires till date, okay, in cities have occurred because of short circuit. कहीं पे भी आप पूछ लो, about 80% of fire has occurred because of this, and 20% maybe a cylinder has blasted or pipeline, gas ka pipeline leak ho raha hai and it took fire. Those are the other cases, okay? और किसी ने cigarette जला के कपड़े पे डाला and फिर भूल गया and then the whole thing, human errors we can call them, वो बात अलग है. But 80% of the fires are through short circuit. You can see here na, इसमें आप क्या, what will you understand? It's like a mesh, yeah. I mean, and if something goes wrong in this, how will you find it out? And if there is impossibility, I mean, if you have these kind of services, then there is a problem. And that's where this reality comes into the picture, and that's where you come into the picture. If you create such services, you are responsible for your building. And that's why, as a planner, as an architect, you need to see to it that these services are done tip top of A-class quality, where such things will not occur. This will happen when you have not planned. Okay. So if there are no questions, we take a break for 5 minutes. and we join back and I'll take the attendance then. Okay. It is 10:15. Now, what is the time? Oh gosh. What is the time? 10:20. Okay, might as well continue. But no, I still need 5 minutes off. Okay. So I'm taking 5 minutes off. I'll be in the meeting. Okay, but I'm ending this. Yeah. So I'm just muting myself, and you be there. You can have your cup of chai if you want, and I'll be back in 5 minutes.